let me tell you about this membership because it is not like anything else out there. Yes, we have a huge library of full-length videos where you see every brushstroke and the painting process, everything, all the color mixing, all of that. A huge library. We even have a video in there from Joanna Arnett, Peter Fiore, but that's just the beginning. We have so much interactivity in this membership. We want to get to know you, and we want you to get to know us, and we want this to be dialogue. We want to go back and forth. We want this to be a completely full, integrated learning experience.
Well, I like it. I like what you're doing. I learned so much. It just amazes me how little I know.
Oh no, you're doing a great job, Mark. That painting was fantastic. And we have a community that actually likes one another as well. We have so much that we do in here. And for some, because we have professional artists in here, as well as those who are just now picking up a paintbrush, we also have the Zoom room. This is where we can talk back and forth with one another. I can hear you and see you, you can hear and see me, and we can talk back and forth. And it is immersive. And then we have, every week, we have what's called Lunch with Bill.
And I love music, but I love doing woodwork. I love fiber art. I've knit, crochet, I spin, I weave. I think. And I hate watching TV when I sit there with my husband and I'm sitting there going, okay, what can I do?
I know the feeling.
Much more fun things to be doing. But where we sit down at noon Eastern time, we just get together, just to get to know one another. It's just for fun.
Bill, I have a question. Do you always varnish your paintings?
I do now. I didn't used to.
Oh. Can you tell me? I know
We talk about our grandkids or how the weather is where we're at, because we have members from everywhere, all over the world. Norway and Poland and Iceland and Nova Scotia and the Philippines and India. They're everywhere around the world. And we get together and we just talk about what's happening in our lives. And sometimes those things are heartbreaking, and we pray for one another, and we really get to know and love one another. It is a fantastic opportunity just to say hi to somebody, just to get to know other artists around the world. It's so much fun. We just have a fantastic art community. It's huge and it's wonderful. And these people, you're gonna love them. And there's a lot of other things as well. We have a big reference library, free images you can use to paint from. And if you make a painting and you think, oh, I want to sell this in a gallery, feel free to do it. The images are free to use for whatever purpose you want. There's just so much. We have a big Facebook group with lots and lots of members. We discuss a lot of techniques, but no formulas. This is about learning how to use our brains. Art isn't about just some formula where we all do the same thing. We are all unique. We see the world differently, and it's right here and right in here. That's what it's all about. We're trying to delve in as individuals and as a group and discover how to convey that experience we had when we saw the sun coming up and what that did to us, how it made us feel. How can we put that here and make a painting that's poetry, that expresses what we really feel inside, that we want to share that with others. That's what we're doing here. You're gonna love this. And if you don't, there's no worry. It's easy to just cancel at any time. This is all about you. You are gonna have so much fun. You're gonna meet a lot of people and have art friends all over the place, all over the world, really. Have fun with it, and happy painting.